Hi everybody, we are poolside. We're outside most of the day today because it's so beautiful, and we almost went to the beach, but I knew it would be crowded, so we're just staying home and enjoying our backyard. And I'll tell you, if the breeze will slow down, we may go for a walk or ride our bicycles. Right now it's pretty darn breezy, but I'll take that any day over snow and ice. And then later we're going to go in the lanai. And it's less breezy there, although it's open with screens, but we're going to cook dinner. And it's nothing spectacular, it's just fun. And I am going to tell you about my new discovery, and that's Raycon earbuds. Raycon was kind enough to send me these earbuds, and I am in love because they sent them in rose gold, and I love that color. Let me tell you the colors these earbuds come in. The Raycon earbuds are premium quality without the premium cost, and they come in several colors. Hold on just a moment, let me find that for you. We have carbon black, forest green, royal blue, and blush violet. And I think that the bolder colors might be better if I go to the beach because these might get lost in the sand. However, say the bright blue, that would show up easily. So it depends on your lifestyle and where you're going to be wearing them. But I think we are going to have to move inside. The wind is picking up, as you can probably see behind me. The golfers don't mind. You can see the golfers behind me, I'm sure. They play rain or shine. Unless it's lightning, they are out there. So we're gonna run inside. Whoa, that's a lot of wind. Let's move into the lanai. And it's a little less breezy there because it's enclosed a bit, and we're gonna cook, and I'm going to listen to a bit of music with my Raycon earbuds. Oh, well, this is better. Not so much wind. It's still a bit breezy, but it's not bad. And I put my microphone right here. Does that look a bit crazy? I hope not. Anyway, you know what it is. I wanted to be hands-free because I wanted to show you the Raycon earbuds. These are Raycon everyday earbuds with active noise canceling. They are also dust proof and they are water resistant. Wow, this wind's gonna blow us everywhere. I think they're adorable. Look at this. These are Raycon everyday earbuds, and they have active noise canceling. Also, they're dust resistant and water resistant. We like that because in Florida, there's a lot of outdoor activity and you want to protect your earbuds. So that's what we have with these. And because they're waterproof, that's perfect for poolside, and I love to sit by the pool and listen to streaming music and podcasts. Because these are waterproof, I can enjoy them by the pool or at the beach. And most of the time I love lounging around the pool and reading a magazine, a book. Streaming music is my favorite. Music and podcast, I can do that all afternoon. And you can do it with your wireless earbuds. You just connect it to your Bluetooth and you're good to go. Well, I think the sun is behind the clouds a bit, so I can take my sunglasses off. I'm glad of that. Well, these earbuds have incredible sound quality. So if I am streaming, which I love, is luxury lounge music. I know it sounds kind of cheesy, but I love to lounge around the pool and listen to luxury lounge music because it's almost as if you are in a resort. And I can adjust the sound on these up or down according to the physical button on the left or right side, and you can use the awareness mode. So if you are out walking, you can be aware of your surroundings. And Raycon has given us a promo code. It's Style20, and use it to get the best price possible because these are quality earbuds at an affordable price, plus the promo code. So don't forget, Style20. You're able to charge your earbuds for 10 minutes for an hour and a half charge, or you could use a long charge using the USB cable that's provided in the box when you receive it. And look at this. A sleek little case, love it, and they charge in this case. This is a box the earbuds come in, and it reads Raycon Everyday Earbuds. They also make a fitness earbud that fits in your ear much tighter. So I'm going to put the link for Raycon in the information box below so you can go and look at all of their products and determine which is best for you. And the back of the box reads, size doesn't matter, these beats bang. Well, they have a good writer at Raycon. I wanted to show you these ear tips. These are gel tips, and I'm going to put a close-up of this because they're small. And actually, I had to use the smallest ones to fit my ear, but it doesn't matter what size I wear. Look at this. All of these sizes, and you can determine which fits your ear, and you have a whole collection of them. How about that? And it comes with the USB cord. So that's nice for charging. And like I said, it charges and it will last a very long time, or you can do a quick charge. For that left and right ear, they have physical buttons on the back, and you can just tap those for volume or whatever mode you need. And the packaging comes with information that tells you exactly what you need to use and which ear you need to tap. So I'm going to pop these back in and charge them up some more. And you can tell they're charging because the light is on. So like I said, you have your left and right ear, and it has buttons that you tap, and you can change the volume and use other modes. It also has a voice prompt that tells you what you just tapped, and that is amazing to me. I love that idea because I'm not always sure I have tapped it long enough, and I want to make sure that I've actually done what I had intended to do. But the box that you receive will have a quick info card in it that tells you what you need to know about the tapping of these for volume and etc. I am so glad I paired these earbuds to my cell phone Bluetooth, because one of my favorite things to do is listen to streaming music and podcasts by the pool and just shut out the rest of the world. When you receive your Raycon earbuds, you're going to enjoy them just as much as I do. And oh yes, we're getting ready to make chicken fajitas, so let's get started. We have had a fabulous day today. We have made chicken fajitas, we've been by the pool enjoying music, and I hope you have a great weekend. And if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, tap the subscribe button, and you know I would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. And don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram too. Bye.